guys, it's Jess. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, clicking on this video. Today is a really exciting video because this is actually my 200th YouTube video ever. Yes, you heard me. I have made 200 of these, which is absolutely wild. LOL at me who said this might just be a hobby, or LOL at everyone who thought this was just a phase. Basically, I love YouTube, and I'm so excited because today's video is one that's like really special to me. Also like really embarrassing for me. Today I am posting something that was filmed several months ago with my best friends in the world. My friends Ashley and Sarah and I were going home from church one day and we decided to do a little carpool karaoke drive with me. Basically, we go through our favorite old school, what's the word? Throwback. We go through our favorite throwback playlist. It's a super fun time. I cannot sing. I cannot dance. I have no rhythm. Most songs I only know the chorus of. I guess what I'm saying is I'm kind of a mess, but I think what's so fun about this is just the fact that like these are my best friends, and I think it's so fun when you're with like your people. You can just like completely be yourself. So I'm kind of like letting y'all in on a little bit of a vulnerable moment and sharing a sick playlist with you, so you're welcome. Hoping this doesn't get copyrighted. I tried my best, my dudes. It is what it is. I'm about to see my BFFs and so soon, and I'm so excited. Shout out to you, Ashley and Sarah. Extra shout out to Ashley for driving us around in her little red Prius. Extra shout out to Sarah for being Sarah and dealing with me. Also, I guess I'll just remind you, if you're new here, be sure to head on down below and subscribe. We are almost to 4,000 subscribers, and it would mean the world to me if you would do that. And if you want to leave a thumbs up, that's super cool too. But yeah, I'll just stop talking now so y'all can enjoy the video. Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a carpool karaoke and we're taking you along with us. These are my friends.
I'm Sarah.
Hi, I'm Ashley. Hey! Yeah, so this happens. Touching you. Carry on, carry on. No, I don't want your number. No, I don't want to give you mine. No, I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy can't get no love from me. Oh yes, sir, I'm talking to you. Live at home with your mom. I can't stop this feeling. It's alright. But you're in love with me. Tonight the super trooper lights are gonna find me feeling like a number one. Still I'm thinking about you always. Oh, I swear loving you at this moment, all I need. We just need more friends. It's gonna be this way. It hasn't been your day, week, your month, or even your year, but I'll be there for you. I'll be there for me too. I'll wait for drive. So sorry.
I'm experiencing stop sign.
Had
I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Take on me, take on me, be all be you, I'll be you. Let's go! Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Only 17. You can dance, you can jump, having the time of your life.
Wow, Jane's courted who?
Right?
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our craziness. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. If I can get 'em.